blowing this way.
Just watch out and don't drop it. Hey Mom, where's Kaya?
She's up there.
Yeah.
I'm going to talk to her. Thank you.
My favorite to make is the elephant and the mouse.
Ooh, I want an elephant for my
You want an elephant for your mom? Where is it? Trying to make sure. Why do you let the so that it's not too full by this place?
There you go. Get up there. Oh, way to go, Jack!
What? What? Did they make a goal, Mom?
Yeah.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, settle down. Does your brother play for the red and the white team? Yeah? You guys drove a long way to get here, didn't you? Yeah, McCook's quite a way.